Hello guys, welcome back on Java Learning Tips. Today we are going to talk about abstract class. So what is an abstract class in Java? An abstract class is used to represent something that is actually abstract. So for example, let's start immediately with an example here in Eclipse. So let's delete this because we don't need this. So now we can create a class that will be the abstract class. So we can just create a class like this, and I will create the class vehicle. So vehicle and finish. Now we have our class vehicle, but if you think at vehicle, what is a vehicle? It's just an abstract concept, because a vehicle can be a car, a vehicle can be a bicycle, a vehicle can be also a motorcycle. So we don't know actually what is a vehicle. It's an abstract concept that contains more things. So we can create our class vehicle as an abstract class. We should just write here before class the keyword abstract. And now our class vehicle is abstract. Here we can write the method of the vehicle. You have to think as an abstract class like a superclass. So if you remember in the last lessons, I've talked about superclasses. A superclass is basically a class that contains a lot of methods that are used in more of one child class, so that in the child class we can inherit the method in the superclass. But in this case, the superclass is also abstract. So an abstract class can have also abstract methods. So what are abstract methods? Are exactly like the normal methods, but they can't have a body here. If I write a method here in the abstract class, I can't write also the body of the method here. Let's see. So abstract, that's the keyword, and void, because our method will not return anything. The name of the method, in this case move, because our vehicle will move, and nothing else, because if I try to add a body, it will tell me that, as you can see, abstract methods do not specify a body, so I can't have a body here if I use an abstract method. But what are these methods for? What are these class for? So this class, it's not simple to explain, but these class are exactly like the superclass, but they are also abstract. So they are not something that actually exists. Let me create here in the object package another class. This time the class will be a car. So now our car is a child class of our superclass abstract vehicle, so we have to extend the car to the vehicle. In this way we will inherit all the abstract method in the vehicle, but in this case we must use the method that we have right here. So if we write here a void method that is used to move the car, we must implement this method here. So we can just click here and Eclipse will do it automatically for us. So as you can see, void move will be automatically implemented and will be override. That means that now we are using this method and we are adding a body to the method. So here we can write, for example, I'm started. Now we can create another class. Let's go on object, new class, and this time we can say motorcycle. is exactly the same that we have do for the car, so extend. And we must implement the unimplemented method. So here I can write we are using the same method, so the method move that we have right here, but we can change the instruction inside the method. So for example, I can say let's delete I'm started, and let's say I've started the car, and here we can say I've started the motorcycle. Now we are using the method of the abstract class vehicle, so here we can specify all the abstract method, and we can for example write another method abstract void stop, that's uppercase here, and now if I save will retrieve me an error here and in motorcycle, because we must implement this other method. So we have stop, and just copy and paste this, and I've stopped the car. And the same here, so add an implement method, and I've stopped the car, so stopped. So now we have add the method here and here, and we can also use this method. So let's go in the main. Here we can create an instance of a car, an instance of a motorcycle, but we can't create an instance of a vehicle because a vehicle does not exist. If you think about a vehicle, you realize that it doesn't really exist. So you can't create it. Let's try. Vehicle and vehicle 1 equal to new vehicle, and as you can see it's saying me that it can't create an object with the type vehicle because a vehicle doesn't exist. But we can create, for example, a car. So and car 1 equal to new car, and now we have our car here. We can also create an instance of a motorcycle, and here we have now a car and a motorcycle, and we can use the method that we have right here. But before use the method, we have to go here and set as public this method. So now, and the same thing here. Now we can use the method, so car1 dot, and we have move, and we can also, for example, motorcycle 1 dot, and we can say stop, and now I've not changed here. Yes, let's change this. And now if I start the program, will be I've started the car and I've stopped the motorcycle. So this is basically what is an abstract class, how to create an abstract class, how to create abstract method, how to override a method. So this was all you need to know to understand basically the abstract class. Just think that an abstract class is a class that actually doesn't exist. Even in the reality, an abstract object does not exist. So guys, this video ends here. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I have also an Instagram page and a web page. You can find all you need here in the description, and we will see in the next video. Bye.